Welcome to this Lee Daniels Art Quick Tip tutorial, Accent Explosions in After Effects. Start by creating a new shape layer. Add an ellipse and a fill. In the ellipse path options, set a keyframe for the position, move along the timeline and offset the position. In the middle of the animation, set a keyframe for the size and alter the height and the width. Now at the beginning of the animation, set the height and width to 0 and do the same for the end. Move the timeline to the middle keyframe so we can see our shape. Add a repeater. And in the repeater transform options, set the position to 0. Holding down the Alt key, click on the rotation stopwatch of the repeater transform options and type in 360 divided by, and using the pick whip, link to copies. Now when you alter the number of copies, it will automatically distribute the shapes. By duplicating the shape layer, offsetting in the timeline and altering the original parameters, you can create hundreds of different styles.
Right, that's the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe to my Lee Daniels Art YouTube channel where you'll find examples of some of my animated shorts, client work and news about upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.